मैं साधना टीवी के सभी दर्शकों का प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम जीवन का चौथा तत्व लाभान्वित करने के बारे में बात करेंगे। टुडे I'll expand on the fourth principle of life, enriching. Please listen. Enriching. Enriching means you taking the responsibility with integrity and authenticity, that you are committed to continuously enriching, which is expanding yourself and life in and around you. Listen. Enriching is you taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity, that you are committed to continuously enriching, which is expanding yourself and life in and around you. जीवन का चौथा तत्व है आप्यायनम का अर्थ है आप संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा के साथ जिम्मेदारी उठाइए कि आप लगातार आप्यायनम अर्थात स्वयं को और आपके अंदर एवं बाहर की जीवन को लगातार लाभान्वित करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हो। Enriching means continuously expanding yourself with these four principles, continuously enriching others to expand with four principles. Listen, the first question will come usually in people's mind, especially if you are a spiritual seeker. The first question comes in their mind is, why should I enrich others with these principles? If I live, is that not enough? Why do I need to enrich others with these principles? ध्यान से सुनिए। You should understand, most of you must be having this question. आप में पहले प्रश्न उठेगा, मुझे क्यों दूसरों को लाभान्वित करनी होगी? You should understand, life happens to us outside us. Listen. Consciousness may be inside, but life is happening outside. If we are just inside a deep jungle in a cave, you eat some forest fruits and drink the Ganga water and sleep, you don't see people at all, then you may not need to enrich others. But even then, you need to enrich the tree which gives you the fruit and the river which gives you water. In our life, practical life, life is happening to us outside us. जीवन हमारे बाहर होता है. इसीलिए हमें जीवन को लाभान्वित करनी होगी. लाभान्वित करना मीन्स इन चार तत्वों के द्वारा निरंतर अपने आप को विस्तारित करना, लाभान्वित करना. इन चार तत्वों के द्वारा निरंतर दूसरों की भी विस्तारित करना. Let's analyze. Analyze this, internalize this and understand. Manana. Let us do manana and understand. आप कौन है? आप अनेक अस्तित्वों का संग्रह हो, जैसे कि माता, पिता, पुत्र, पत्नी, पति. Who are you? You are just a collection of all these identities. I can take any one example. Any one of you would like to volunteer? Come to the mic. Come on. Anybody wanted to volunteer? Let me analyze your life and give you the right way of enriching. Some devotee. Tell me what all the identities put together you are.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Mother.
Mother.
Wife.
Wife.
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law.
Friend.
Friend.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Student.
Student.
Devotee.
Devotee.
Disciple.
Disciple.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. That's all. Now, I'll take her example and tell you. See, if your personality is 100%, so each one of this has some percentage. Maybe the personality, the identity that you are a daughter will be occupying 20%. Wife, that will be occupying maybe 20-30%. And disciple, that may be occupying some 20-30%. A teacher may be occupying 10%. Different of your identities occupy certain percentage of your being. Am I right? So now, the personality, the identity you feel you are a daughter gets fulfilled. It can become complete. The life can happen to you in ultimate form as a daughter only if your father is enriched. life can happen to you completely, ultimately, to you as a wife only if your husband is enriched. अगर आपका अस्तित्व 100% है तो उसमें यह अलग अलग व्यक्तिव जैसी पत्नी, पति, पुत्री थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रतिशत है. So if your personality is 100%, each person has a share. Only each person involved in your personality, in your relationships, with whom life is happening to you, only if all of them are enriched, your life will be complete and enriched. Don't think if you just enrich yourself alone, you are going to experience completion, fulfillment, life. No. आप तभी पूर्ण हो सकते हैं जब आप में सम्मिलित माता, पिता, पुत्र जैसी सभी अस्तित्व पूर्ण होते हैं. This is the only way you can experience fulfillment. केवल इसी तरह आप पूर्णता को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. अब तभी पूर्ण हो सकते हैं जब आप में सम्मिलित माता, पिता, पुत्र जैसी सभी अस्तित्व पूर्ण होते हैं. केवल इसी तरह आप पूर्णता को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, पूर्णत्व की स्थिति को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. Enriching others is a basic necessity of your life experiencing fulfillment. You can never be complete or fulfilled if all the people who are involved in your life are complete and fulfilled. Only when they are all enriched with these 4 principles, you will experience enrichment with these 4 principles. इसीलिए आपके जीवन का सबसे मौलिक आवश्यकता है जीवन को लाभान्वित करना. आप जिसके साथ जीवन जी रहे हैं उनके साथ आप्यायन के द्वारा आपका जीवन पूर्ण और लाभान्वित. With whom life is happening to you, only when you enrich all of them, only when all of them are enriched, only then life will be complete and enriched for you. आप जिसके साथ जीवन जी रहे हैं उनके साथ आप्यायनम के द्वारा आपका जीवन पूर्ण और लाभान्वित हो सकता है. Enriching others, making others' life alive, Vivekananda says beautifully when he defined the ideal for his organization. He says, Atmano mokshartam jagat hidaya cha. For the sake of the world's well-being and for the sake of one's own liberation. Please listen. He is not saying just one's own liberation. He says, for the sake of well-being of the world also. Jagat hitaya cha. Again and again seekers have a problem. Why should I enrich others' life? Why should I enrich others' life? This is one of the biggest problem we have. I should live, I understand. Why should I bother about others? After all, world is illusion. You can realize the truth, world is illusion only when you are in completion. Only from Purna, the Purna is experienced. Purnamada Purnamidam. Only after Purna, completion happens. Listen. Only when you enrich others, you are enriched. I can tell you one thing from my experience. Only when you start teaching to others, you realize the truth completely. In Sanskrit, there is a proverb. When you listen from the master, you understand only 1/4, 25%. When you clarify your doubts, you understand 50%. When you discuss among the friends, you understand 75%. When you start teaching, sharing with others, only then you understand 100%. But somehow, especially in Hinduism, बार बार साधक का यही समस्या है, यही समस्या है, मैं क्यों दूसरों को लाभान्वित करूं? बार बार साधक का यही समस्या है, मैं क्यों दूसरों को लाभान्वित करूं? विवेकानंद आंसर्स, स्वामी विवेकानंद ने बहुत सुंदर कहा है, अपने आपकी भलाई के लिए और अपने आपकी मुक्ति के लिए। Unless you enrich others with whom life is happening to you, you can never experience fulfillment. Because especially people who are involved in your life, as your employees, boss, father, mother, whoever is involved in your life, if they are not radiating these principles, you are not going to be experiencing fulfillment. You are not going to be experiencing the truth. You are not going to be experiencing the completion The enriching does not happen to you unless you enrich others, you will never be complete. जब तक आप दूसरों को लाभान्वित नहीं करते हैं, आप पूर्णत्व को प्राप्त नहीं कर सकते हैं। आप स्वयं को भी लाभान्वित नहीं कर सकते हैं। Because life is happening to us outside. Please listen, only consciousness is happening to us inside. But the life itself is happening to us outside. क्योंकि जीवन हमारे बाहर हो रहा है। Because consciousness is inside, you think, life happens to you inside. Source may be inside, happening is outside. क्योंकि जीवन हमारे बाहर हो रहा है। केवल चेतना जागृत हमारे अंदर हो रहा है, किंतु जीवन हमारे बाहर हो रहा है। Enriching is taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity, that you are committed to continuously enrich yourself and enrich others. Not giving upon you and people. ध्यान से सुनिए, this is the मूल mantra. Not giving upon you and people. If you give upon others without enriching them, I tell you, you will give upon yourself. You will give upon yourself. If you don't have the passions to enrich others without giving upon them continuously, you will not have passions to enrich you without giving upon you. When you give upon you, what happens to you physically is disease, mentally is depression, consciously is bondage. When you give up on yourself, physically your health will be broken, mentally you will fall into depression, spiritually you will fall into bondage. When you don't give up on yourself, you build the yogic body, Vedic mind, enlightened consciousness. When you don't give up on others, you create the same for others also. I tell you, giving upon others, if you have that pattern, you will give upon you. Each person you have not given upon in your life is one extra hand you have. And each person you give up in your life is a one hand broken. कृपया सुनिए, आप्यायनम का अर्थ है आप संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा के साथ जिम्मेदारी उठाइए कि आप लगातार आप्यायनम अर्थात स्वयं को और आपके अंदर एवं बाहर की जीवन को लगातार लाभान्वित करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हो। Listen. Listen. Enriching happens to you when you are enriching others also. जीवन का मूल मंत्र है, आप स्वयं को एवं अन्य लोगों का त्याग मत कीजिए, त्याग मत कीजिए। आप स्वयं को एवं अन्य लोगों का त्याग मत कीजिए। अपने आप का त्याग ना कीजिए। डोंट गिव अप ऑन यू। दूसरों का त्याग ना कीजिए। डोंट गिव अप ऑन अदर्स। इफ यू गिव अप ऑन यू, you fall into depression. If you give up on others, you fall into loneliness. Don't give up on you. Don't give up on others. This is the essence I wanted to share with you all today. From tomorrow, I'll continue to expand on how to create beautiful relationship with these 4 principles, how to apply these 4 principles and create fulfillment in the area of wealth, life in every line. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, अपने आप को त्याग ना कीजिए, अन्य लोगों को त्याग ना कीजिए। अपने आप को त्याग ना कीजिए, अन्य लोगों को त्याग ना कीजिए। कल से मैं इन 4 तत्व के आधार पे जीवन के अनेक विषय के बारे में बात करूंगा। प्लीज लिसन। Expansion in your consciousness happens only when the enriching happens to people around you. Without enriching others, the completion, fulfillment will never be experienced inside you. How much ever you may try, with this understanding, you can, even the business you do will be a great fulfillment. Till you experience the fulfillment in others who are living around you, your inner space can never settle in completion. आपकी चेतना तभी विस्तारित होती है जब आप दूसरों को लाभान्वित करते हैं और वह आपको पूर्णता संतुष्टि का अनुभव कराएगा।